stopping at gas, see while I'm in town.
Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my drink, I got my music, I was sharing, but today I'm feeling. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
See if Taco Bell is open.
Bitch, don't kill my vibe.
Can you look it up?
Huh?
I said look it up. Should tell you online.
What? Yeah, it's open. But it says Christmas Day might affect these hours.
I guess we'll find out.
What?
But I guess we'll find out. I know. We're only going 45.
Is that GoPro company?
It's actually not bad.
You know where it's in the drive-thru?
No, fuck no.
For the what?
The
drive-thru?
Fuck no.
That would be hilarious.
I mean, I would, but I'm sure you
I
guys
think
wouldn't
you're
like
a
it much.
weirdo, but
Most people already do when I drive through, so.
unless they think you're like a vlogger.
Get the car, nigga. Oh, we got to roll out. Nigga, I got a pack of blacks in the beach city. Get your freestyle ready.
I already got some followers on YouTube.
What?
Said I already have the followers on YouTube.
Yeah.
I guess. I probably should have kept going. Set it on my taste buds. AM funk. Now that stroke just went viral.
Wouldn't mind if the mom's like this all the time.
Tell me. This place sucks normally.
Do we have Grandpa's Christmas party tomorrow?
I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me